Welcome back everyone, I hope you all are good. Today you will learn how to make this multiple exposure effect in Photoshop. First, subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. Create a new file. Width is 3780 and height is 2421. Now drag your image on which you will create this effect. Adjust the image and click OK. Then go to Select and click on Select Subject. Press Ctrl+J to copy and delete the other image. Drag your subject and adjust it in the center, as we will also create shadow at the end. Next, add a sky blue color background to it. Now open Rectangular Marquee tool to split the subject in 3 parts. Drag the tool for the first part. Right-click and select Layer via Cut. This will the part that is selected from subject. Again, open Marquee tool. This area is not that good, so we'll make it bigger. Right-click and Layer via Cut. So we have successfully created 3 parts of the image. Now we will attach different images in each part. Drag your image and adjust it. Activate its layer, right-click and click on Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl+T to adjust. Repeat the same steps with other images. Images link will be given in description. Now create a new layer and open Brush tool. Decrease flow to blend it slowly. Use right bracket key to increase size of brush. So we have created a little blue shadow on the images, but we don't want it on the face part, so click on the small mask icon to create a mask layer. Use black background color and increase the flow. Now brush around the face part to enhance. Again, create a new layer to make a shadow. Press D to change foreground color to black, increase brush size and click in center. Press Ctrl plus T to adjust. Hold Ctrl plus A and decrease the height. Add blur to make it more realistic. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Final step is to create a gradient background. Follow the steps and color to make same background like mine. Style is radial. Reverse the color and change the angle. If you like this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.